Oh, wow. Mm. Mm. Ito.
Continue on Singapore for 800 meters.
Oh my gosh. Why?
Sick talaga kasi sa first. Ang hirap din lumipat in-house kasi ang taas ng requirement.
Hi everyone, welcome to The Spect. My name is Nico and this is your first time on my channel. Welcome, do subscribe, do like some of these videos, and yeah, so we're here to basically just share with you some spectacles because here on this channel we kind of believe that experience makes a spectacle. So for us to really understand what the spectacle is all about, we would rather experience it. So dito ngayon sa Mega Mall, so meron na tayong parang sort of discovery. It is called a mood board bakery. It recently just got opened. Meron silang branch in SM MOA and in Mega Mall dito sa Atrium, second level. So the reason it's called mood board is something quite interesting, no? That's something we would like to share with you dito sa vlog na to. So, samahan niyo ako dito and tikman natin tong mood board bakery na sinasabi nila. It's around 10:30 in the morning. Mas inagahan namin dito para konti lang yung tao, and sure enough, wala masyadong tao. So ito lang siya, katabi lang siya ng Chili's and Mesa. And so meron sila mga share your mood check board. So pwede ka magsulat ng notes. Mga nakalagay dito. I was here, cheers. Parang ginaya nila yung sa sa Taipei. Pero may ganung coffee shop na yung Notes Coffee Shop or cafe. Ayun, tapos may, as in lahat, pati kisame nilagyan ng notes. Ang dami na. Hi, morning. So, na-search ko kasi sa, sa social media. So, may mood board. So, anong concept? Bakit siya mood board bakery?
Yung sir, yung pick me up, can't wait for this, anytime brunch, and happy cheers. Ay,
Okay, so, sa base sa mood mo, diba? So, what's your name, sorry? Myla, thank you so much ha. So, take what you need ang sabi dito. So, I think the concept ng bakery is, or itong shop, pastry shop na to, mood talaga. So, I think the idea here is, ang cute ng concept nila when you take your order. Kasi meron sila mga suggested na mga, parang kung anong feel mong orderin. Like, pick me up, pampa good vibes. Like, kinakabahan siya. Sorry na. Okay, can't wait cravings. Isang suggestion din nila also. Anytime brunch kung feel mo. Happy cheers. Planet-friendly upgrades kung environmental ka. Tama ba? Yes. And then, may butter up for a treat na no options. And then, Dubai trip pistachio. Uy, meron kayong ganito? And then, a bun for you. And then, sweet warmth for the soul. So, I think ang concept kaya siya tinawag na bakery felt is you're not only buying pastry or kung ano yung lasa, kung ano yung, usually ka tinatanong, di ba, bestseller, ganyan. Dito, take what you need. So, kung anong feel mong orderin, based on kung anong pastry ang nandyan.
try this one din po, perfect.
Talaga? Isang perfect...
Po natin, sir.
Sige, please. Perfectly imperfect. Tapos, okay lang kumuha ako ng tagi-isang ganito para matikman ko. Parang take whatever you need. So, anong feel mong orderin, yun yung kukunin natin for this, no? So, for me, siguro for pick me up, tagi-isa lang kukunin ko, no? So, meron ako perfectly imperfect na cookie. And then, so dito, anong recommendation mo kanina?
SL Flan, bestseller po. Then, savory po si cheesy first date.
Ooh.
So, then, mas lang the local cheese fondue.
Right. Parang yung laing home-cooked meal? Kakaiba?
Ano po kayo, kung familiar po kayo dun sa Angel's Pizza na spin.
Ganun lang din nila. So, savory siya. Ano yung matamis? Kasi yung parang pick me up na parang gusto ko. Yung, oo. Custard. Peach mango. Nang-intriga ako dun sa caramel movie night. Palawan cashew nut, spiced coconut yama. Then Palawan cashew nut cookie. Interesting. Itong banana office, ano to?
Banana office bird. Parang, ganun, ano din po sila.
Pritong saba. Interesting. Sige, mas na-drawn ako dun sa caramel movie night. Isang caramel movie night. Ayan.
Sorry, can I have your name po?
Nico, sorry. Nico, Nico. Alright, dito naman sa Can't Wait Cravings. Magkaiba to, no?
Can't wait cravings and just...
Sige. Pag-iisa na ako, mapapagastos na. Anyway. Na-intriga ako dun sa, Piaya Sweeter Memories, no? Doon yung pastillas inner piece. Nakakatawa yung inner piece. Kasi yun yung need daw natin at the moment. Sige, bigyan mo ako ng Piaya's sweater pala. Bakit sweeter? Sweater Memories. Sweater siya, di ba?
Sweeter.
Sweeter.
Pero yun yung basa, sweeter.
Okay. Alright, and then it's a just-in-time treat. Bigyan mo ako ng... Hello. Interesting yung Polvoron Cuddle Time. Sige, Polvoron Cuddle Time. Yun yung feel kong orderin. And then, anytime brunch, ano kaya?
These two boys same lang po sila. Ang pinagkaiba lang po nito is yung ibabaw. Cashew brittle, then
Choco Cheat Day.
egg meringue.
Egg meringue to. Sige, itong Choco Holiday na lang. So, yeah, ito taste test naman natin later pag dumating na sila. For drink, siguro wag na. May water na lang. Bottled water na lang. That's it. Yes. Thank you. And then, after mong kumuha ng order from the mood board, kung ano feel mong orderin, punta ka na ng cashier. Mode of payment ay pwedeng GCash pa, di ba?
Gcash.
GCash, card, and then cash also. Ayan. Hello! What's your name? Rina. Ayan. Sama ko kayo sa vlog ko.
Amazing talaga nito ni ate.
Ayan, so bubuksan na namin. So, again, order natin itong perfectly imperfect na cookie. And then, itong bibingka pudding. And then, hindi ko na alam yung mga flavors na nakalagay dito. Ayan. And then, ito yung pinilagay namin sa box na for takeout. Ang cute. Ayan. And ito na siya. There. So, ang una natin titigman ay itong perfectly imperfect na cookie nila. Kasi ito yung recommendation ni Myla. Ayan. So, tikman natin. Pino-warm na natin ng konti. Mmm. 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 Ayan. So, sa una natin titikman ay ito, yung may marshmallow. Tikim lang to. Ah, halo siya. So, para siyang cronut croissant yung consistency. Ito, ang sarap. Gusto kong kamay mo. Ito siya. Okay. Hindi ganun katamis. Surprise ako. Game, next. Itong Piaya something. Subo ko na lang. Yan siya. Siya pa siyang cronut. Croissant na donut na ganun, yung concept, yung idea na matigas, crunchy. Aha. Harap. Plans mo tayo ng palette. Okay, next. Itong polvoron. Dito ako mas naka-curious more. Ay, sorry. So, may polvoron, ano lang siya. Parang topping. Alright. Ling. Napasama natin ng polvoron. Isa pa. Isa pa. Harap. Okay. Last one. Itong caramel movie something. Ang haba kasi ng pangalan ng flavor nila eh. Right? Dito sa maliit lang na side para Mega, ito gusto ko. Sarap. Okay. Last na tikman natin review. Ang dami natin kinain. Itong bibingka pudding. Pudding. Oh wow. Tignan mo, what the hell? Oh wow. Yeah. Ito. Last minute ko siya nakita, but what? So, meron siyang bibingka layers and then meron siyang parang custard na sa ibabaw and then sa ilalim meron siyang parang sort of cream cheese ba na medyo nag-a-add siya ng savory na taste. Sarap. Okay, so overall, siguro sarap lahat. I was surprised hindi siya ganun katamis, especially itong perfectly imperfect na cookie. Hindi siya nakakaumay. I like it. Like, hindi siya overpowering. I was expecting na, because of the photos and then yung buong look niya, parang I thought na sobrang tamis. But, ano siya, kaya siya ng panlasa. Yeah. Pero ang favorite ko siguro overall would be itong bibingka pudding talaga. This is my top one. Sarap. I did not expect this. Comfort food siya talaga. So, it's basically a mood pastry. Then, ang sa top 2 ko would be itong caramel. Ito, gusto ko to. Sarap to. And, I'll have to give it to, siguro itong cookie. Perfectly imperfect. Kasi parang mood lang. Saya. Yun lang, that's it. I highly recommend this pastry shop. Dito lang siya sa second level ng Atrium at Mega Mall. It's around 11 already. So, pag konti lang yung tao, better na pumunta dito. Kasi madalas sold out talaga yung pastries nila. May gusto pa akong itry na ibang pastries but it's kind of too much for me to try everything. But yeah, so that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like, do subscribe to this channel, and let me know kung anong bet niyong i-try dito na flavors. But I'll definitely explore more of these mga surprises. And let me know in the comments if you have suggestions na pwede kong puntahan siguro. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!